80. You know that, right? Also, no one charges it to 100.